How to search for old messages in Messenger. In this guide, I'll be showing you how you can search for old messages in Messenger. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger application and go to chat section. This is where you can see all of the chats. If you have chat with a person from many years ago and still you haven't continued that conversation, you can just scroll down and see their messages if you haven't deleted it. The next thing you can go do is search for their name right here. Just open the chat and you can see the old messages right there. The next thing you can do is open the chat of the person. Now to see the old messages, you can just scroll down like this and see the messages, old messages, or if you have many more old messages, tap on here and you will see search in conversation right here. Tap on search in conversation. Now once you tap on search in conversation, you can just remember a word you have used in the conversation and type in the word you have used and tap on search, and that's it. This is how you can search for old messages in Messenger. Hope this video helped you out. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.